This video describes some of the elements of Terrestrial Bundle Adjustment Report after processing Trimble V10 imaging rover data in Trimble Business Center version 3.11. In the Adjust Photo Station command, there is a Results tab with the summary information describing adjustment details, total number of stations, number of passed stations, as well as the scoring information that help evaluate overall accuracy of adjustment procedure. Station geometry score: 0 meaning poor geometry, 10 meaning perfect geometry, refers to the angles from one station to its neighbors. Stations that are in straight line decrease the score, while stations that have large angle changes improve the score. The observation accuracy is a standard deviation of back projection residuals and is one of the most important measurements. Type point distribution refers to how evenly the type points are distributed in the panorama. Type points that are concentrated in one area will decrease the score, while the type points distributed across panorama evenly will improve the score. The type point geometry refers to the angular intersection at the type point position. Type points that are far away have small intersection angles and decrease the score, while type points that are close have large intersection angles and improve the score. The type point redundancy is a measurement of overall type point number compared to the number of necessary equations for bundle adjustment computation. Generally, the higher the scores here, the better the adjustment procedure. If you see orange information, that means there are some areas of concern that need to be investigated, while red indicates there's definitely something that needs to be resolved. There's a quick link to Terrestrial Bundle Adjustment Report in the top of the command. Again, in Terrestrial Bundle Adjustment Report, you will find the summary information as well as the scoring information that we just talked about. The general section will contain the number of equations, number of unknowns, and redundancy to compute bundle adjustment. Reference factor refers to the ratio of a posteriori and a priori measurements and number of iterations to compute the bundle adjustment. Under the type point statistics, you will notice number of type points per station as well as the number of shared type points between neighboring stations. Station statistics will contain the geometry score, distribution score, and redundancy number per station. While in station status, you can find station setup type, adjustment, position, and orientation information. Type point statistics will have observation per point, which is a measure of how many stations in average can see at least one type point, as well as the number of disabled manual observation. The type point back projection is a measure of overall adjustment accuracy. In this situation, you can see standard deviation is 2 millimeters at a distance of 10 meters. That means this error is going to be propagated to any future photogrammetric observations from the adjusted photo stations. That concludes our video on some of the elements of Terrestrial Bundle Adjustment Report in Trimble Business Center version 3.11.